Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, we're sticking with the pizza theme from last week. Sorta. We're going to make Stromboli. Now, I've never done it this way before, so I'm going to be a guinea pig. Hopefully it turns out good. Hopefully you guys think it looks good. You're going to give it a try, so let's get over here and get to cooking. Alright y'all, we're going to start out with a Pillsbury pizza crust. It's the classic crust. I've never used this brand before. I usually use the store brand, whatever they got on the shelf there. But hey, I'm willing to give it a try. So, I forgot to spray it said to spray it out, so we're going to spray it out. We're going to roll it out. I said to work it out as thin as you want. Usually mine are pretty thin when they start. And this brand says to pre-bake your dough. But you know what? We're just going to shoot for it. So what we got for the filling, I got some ham. Now these are the fillings I like. Y'all can put on here whatever you want. Hopefully I got enough of the ham to do the whole. Might be a little bit shy, but it'll be alright. We got some pepperonis. Little pepperonis. Like I said, y'all can put in whatever you want. If I had anchovies, I'd put anchovies in this, but I am currently out of anchovies right now. So, get these suckers all laid out here. I'm kind of running shy on everything. Whoop, whoop. So, alright, just enough. Look at that. Now we got some, this is hard salami, but it'll work fine. It'll be alright. Alright, and then we got some provolone cheese. I do need some more cheese. Hang on, let me grab some more cheese. Alright, got some more cheese. So I'm going to back this thing up here just a little bit. That way it's good and cheesy. Look at that. That is awesome. Now, if we can do this, bring that across like that. Flip that up like that. That piece of ham out of there. Alright. Bring that up there like that. Kind of seal her off a little bit. And then I like to take a little bit of basil. This is probably more decorative than anything. And then we're going to take a little bit of grated Parmesan. And just kind of sprinkle the top. Alright, and I've already got my oven preheated to 425 degrees. We're going to throw this sucker in the oven and bake it for about 15 minutes. And we'll see how it's done. If it looks like it's, you know, not doughy or whatever, we'll pour her out, we'll cut her up. If it looks like it needs a little more, we'll give it a little bit more. So, y'all hang out. Alright, y'all. It's been 15 minutes, so let's pull this out and take a look at it. I can hear her sizzling in here. Oh, That is looking awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Wow. That turned out a whole lot better than I thought it was going to. We need to get a picture for a thumbnail on this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So, let me see if I can find a knife. We're going to cut into this thing. Right dead center. I'm going to use a pair of tongs because that thing looks hot. Ooh. Just a little bit of crisp there. Oh. Y'all, I think we have a winner. Oh yeah, that cheese is nice and melty in there. That bottom's not too done. Oh yeah. That looks awesome. Alright, let me get a couple more pieces of this cut up. I'm going to let it sit a little bit and cool down. We'll do a taste test. See if it's up to bear. Alright y'all. Gotta play the Stromboli here. Still a little bit warm. But I can pick it up, so. Got us some marinara sauce here. That's actually pizza sauce. So. That's pretty darn good. I like it. Picasso. Anyways, beverage of the day. Going with the old standby brown mood juice. That's even good too. Love it. Love it, love it. Good stuff. Alright y'all. There you have it. Homemade Stromboli. Like I said, you can put anything you want in yours. I just happen to put the ham and the salami and the pepperoni in mine. I'm kind of a traditional kind of guy on that. So, good pizza sauce. If y'all enjoyed it, please hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below what you would put in it if you were going to make it at home, or if you do make it at home, leave me a comment. Tell me what you put in it, how you liked it. You know, even you people that like the pineapple on your pizza, you can throw some pineapple in there. Anyways, I digress. Thank you all for watching. Appreciate it. Again, please hit that thumbs up, leave me a comment. Sunday live stream 7 p.m. Eastern time on my channel. Do it every Sunday. Talk tractor pulling, talk cooking, talk a little about everything. So appreciate you all watching, and as always, bear appetit.